This is the video guide about getting rid of the ransomware called Wwza. Wwza is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. So it encrypts the files and then appends a special Wwza extension to the file names. My video, though, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I got that sample on the VirusTotal database. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the data without any troubles, of course, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Wwza extension may be appended additionally to the file names. And so, because of that, it is then impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware would tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste the money. So do not pay that ransom. Don't waste the funds. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and start researching the computer. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on the Start Scan button. After you click on Start Scan button, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I also want to emphasize your attention that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to detect and remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. We recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Also, in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to protect your data.